Hi, my name is Vanessa Filbert, CEO of Community Action Partnership, also known as CAP, and the chair of Hunger Free Lancaster.
And I'm Joe Arthur. I'm the CEO at Central Pennsylvania Food Bank, longtime proud partner within Hunger Free Lancaster County. So our food bank serves really over 1,100 partner agencies right here in Lancaster County, over 100. And what we do, we provide really the central services, the handling of major amounts of nutritious food, frozen, fresh foods, produce, dry goods, all of the things you think of that you shop for in your home. So that's our core services, but we have many programs that go beyond that. So we're trying to serve people where they are. So we're serving families with children, families without children, individuals, senior citizens, veterans, active duty personnel that are struggling, you name it. Anybody that is having trouble putting enough nutritious food on the table, that's who we're trying to serve. One of the important areas of work, new innovative areas that we're really proud of, is our policy research. So we do deep analysis and deep surveying, deep work in our community to really understand what our families, what our neighbors are facing from their perspective, not just from our perspective, but from their perspective. And that's helping us to develop recommendations and ways of doing our work better. Here in Lancaster, we're proud that in 2023, we issued a groundbreaking report called our Lancaster Hunger Mapping Report, available to the public. Based on that report, we have worked with the Community Action Partnership of Lancaster and Hunger Free Lancaster County to really activate on the recommendations that are in our report. All of that targeted towards centering the voices and needs of our neighbors.
Thanks, Joe. And the work of Hunger Free Lancaster is not new work. It's been a coalition that's been around for the last 13 years. The benefit that we have is that in this season of our work, we have this hunger mapping project that's really creating a roadmap for solutions to make sure that we're doing exactly that, ensuring that our neighbors have access to healthy and nutritious and culturally appropriate food. So here's what you need to know about the coalition. We have 3 action teams that are really working around solutions, and we have a steering committee that meets regularly to make sure that we're maximizing resources and opportunities in Lancaster County to do exactly what we said, which is to make sure that no one in Lancaster County is hungry. Now, one of the things that we learned through the hunger mapping experience was that there was a need for training for both our staff and our volunteers. And what we know is that we want to create the most access to tools and resources that we can, because many of you are either working in this work every day, which is hard work, or volunteering and giving of your time. So we want to make sure that you feel adequately supported and resourced. So here's what you need to know about the training that you're about to embark on. There are really specific design trainings around poverty, around trauma, around how we center the experiences of our neighbors when they come into a pantry experience, that we want you to have resources connected to that, language, and ways to support our neighbors. The other thing that we want you to know that this is a self-paced, online, totally free resource. So take your time, enjoy what's available to you, and make sure that it helps you feel more equipped to do the work that you're already doing.
And on behalf of all of our team at Central Pennsylvania Food Bank, I just want to thank the staff and the volunteers that work in our many partner agencies. You are doing the heavy lifting, the close-up work, meeting with our neighbors. I've been in this work for a long time, and the hardest work I feel is the work that you do. So we want to thank you for that. And hopefully this training is going to help you feel supported and have the information you need to be your best for our neighbors in need.
I would agree with Joe. I echo that, and just know that the work that you're doing ensures that Lancaster County is a place that everyone can thrive.